Norma Nicholas.
Our Modesty Queen in 2012 is none other than Miss Norma Rosqueta, hailed from Digras, Ilocos Norte. She's been working here for 30 years. She is a Hong Kong resident, a 45 years old. She blessed her 3 kids, namely, and she is the current business manager of the new Marcoseños Hong Kong Worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, our Modesty Queen 2012, Norma Rosqueta the First. Up next, ladies and gentlemen, is the entrance of our World Princess, Miss Human Popularity 2013. Our World Princess is Miss Lilibet Pioro, escorted by Miss Don Emmanuel, the World Princess 2012.
Princess Lilibet is 45 years old from Sinaing, Ilocos Norte. She has been working here in Hong Kong for 21 years. She currently works with her employer somewhere in Central, and she has 3 beautiful kids who gives her inspiration. She believes in the saying, honesty is the best policy.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, is our 3rd princess, Miss Iluminada Ablao, escorted by Miss Lilibet Cruz, our 3rd princess 2012. Princess Luminada is from Digras, Ilocos Norte. She is 52 years old. She is a widow, but is inspired by her 2 energetic children. She works in Kowloon, Hong Kong SAR. The motto that guides her in times of difficulties is that strive not to be success, but rather to be of value. Ladies and gentlemen, our 3rd princess, Miss Iluminada Ablao.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 2nd princess, may we welcome Miss Joanne Minor. Miss Joanne Minor will be escorted by Miss Lori Belbasan, 2nd princess 2012. 2nd Princess Joanne Minor is 38 years of age. She is married and blessed with 1 lovely child. She lives in Baclaran, Ilocos Norte. She always lived her initiative in following her motto that says, try and try until you succeed.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we have the entrance of our 1st princess, Miss Rose Villanueva, to be escorted by Miss Marlene Tadeo, our 1st princess 2012. Princess Rose is 40 years old, married, and blessed with a very handsome child. She lives in Marcos, Ilocos Norte. She has been working here in Hong Kong for about 17 years. Princess Rose It is more blessed to give than to receive. But because loving and kind-hearted reflects the beauty that comes within, for it is the passion of the love of our God. Ladies and gentlemen, our first princess, Miss Rose Villanueva. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand as we witness the marching of our Her Majesty Queen Jovelyn the First.
Her Majesty Queen Jovelyn the First was born and grew up in Marcos, Ilocos Norte. She is 45 years of age. She has been working here in Hong Kong for 16 years and lives in Southern Europe. She is stunningly single. Save, work harder, and become a leader. Be lazy and never succeed. What? And gentlemen.
Escorted by our Mr. Alexander Bago. Let's give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our Majesty Queen 2013, Miss Jovelyn Rosqueta. Majesty Queen Miss Jovelyn Rosqueta. 2013. And our Ambassador of Goodwill 2013 is none other else Miss Jovelyn Rosqueta. Such is to be pinned by Miss Alma Pagirigan and Mr. Patrick Torres.
Bouquet will be awarded by Miss Marilyn Miquel and Mr. Dick Garcia.
To award the trophy, may we request the donor, Miss Mildred Gaspar and Miss Cristina Pascual.
To crown our Ambassador of Goodwill, may we ask Miss Evangeline Daja and Dr. Francis Adonis Soriano.
And to present the certificate of appreciation to our Miss Ambassador of Goodwill 2013, may we request Miss Dolores Garcia and Miss Josie C.M. Domingo.
Just wait for them to give you the award. Just stay there.
Thank you so much and congratulations to our Miss Ambassador of Goodwill 2013. To present the trophy, may we request Miss Mildred Gaspar and Miss Cristina Pascual.
And for the certificate, may we call on Miss Dolores Garcia and Miss Josie C.M. Domingo. To award the certificate to our Ambassador of Goodwill, may we call on Miss Dolores Garcia and Miss Josie C.M. Domingo.
Presenting the bouquet to our fourth princess, may we request Miss Connie Manuel and Elena Hilton.
To award the trophy to our fourth princess, may we call on Miss Annalisa Sousa and Sol Ramel.
To bid the crown to our fourth princess, Miss Livet Choro, may we request Miss Nelia Valencia and our guest of honor, Mr. Alexander Barro. And to complete the award, ladies and gentlemen, may we request the certificate of compensation to be presented by Miss Press Sanchez and Miss Josephine Sibukao. Thank you so much and congratulations to our fourth princess. Next, third princess is Miss Luminaga Ablao. Such is to be pinned by Miss Cristina Balicoco and Mr. Barry Corpus. Presenting the bouquet, may we request the donor, Miss Lilibet Cruz. To award the trophy, may we request Miss Emerlyn Mamuad and to pin the crown by Miss Lailani Rabanal and Miss Vicentia Camol. And to award the certificate of appreciation to our third princess, may we request Miss Danila Galapia and Miss Jocora de la Cruz. Any representative from the association?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to our third princess, Miss Luminada Ablao. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the coronation of our second princess. Second princess is Miss Joanne Menor. To meet the sash to our second princess, may we call on Miss Miriam Bartolome and Miss Linda Anastasia Aguilar.
To award the bouquet to our second princess, may we request Miss Loribel Basan and Mr. Jerry
Miss Noraline Domingo, and of course, our guest of honor and speaker, Mr. Alexander Barro.
And to complete the decoration, ladies and gentlemen, may we request Miss Soledad Cunanan and Miss Marian Galot for the certificate of appreciation.
Once again, congratulations to our second princess, Miss Juan Menor.
Paalala po sa ating mga nag-video dito sa harap, please lang po. Doon po tayo sa gilid kasi meron silang official photographer and videographer. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the coronation of our first princess. Our first princess is Miss Rose Villanueva.
And to pin the sash, we call on Mr. Jaime Pablo and Miss Lenny Alvarioso.
And to award the bouquet, Miss Marlene Tadeo and Mr. Roger Tabutin, yours truly.
And to award the trophy, Mary Crest, Miss Norma Bayuna, and Miss Ellen Espirico. And to crown our first princess, Mary Crest, Dr. Francis Adonis Soriano, and Miss Nerissa Tolentino.
Sorry, dear. Okay lang, okay lang. Thank you.
To award the certificate of appreciation to our first princess, may we request Miss Nieves Martin and Miss Jasmine Pobla. the winner of Miss Ilocos